morning. Welcome to beautiful Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey. My name's Brad Armstrong with MarineMax. Today I want to show you our brand new factory fresh 2024 Harris Sunliner. Our Harris Sunliner comes with a black electric bimini top. Also comes with fender racks and our ski tow. The engine on this is a Mercury 154 stroke outboard. Let's go inside and take a look at some of the features inside. And on our Sunliner, we have an insulated storage with a drain plug that you can use as a cooler for beverages. And under this seat, we have a large storage area which you can use for your life vest and your cover for the boat. And our single lounger with an adjustable back that you can adjust depending which way you're facing. This Sunliner comes with a privacy curtain, which you can use for somebody who wants to change. Also a trash receptacle storage. And we have an Ulta-Lux High Back Captain's Chair, JL audio head, stereo system along with 6 Clarion speakers, 4 in the back, 2 in the front. Tilt wheel, and a place to put your cell phone. And in the front, we also have lots more storage for your convenience. Give me a call, Brad Armstrong at MarineMax in Lake Hopatcong, New Jersey, 973-222-0979.